Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Guess what I'm playing? A PC game. And guess what I'm playing it on? A gaming PC! I have rejoined the PC Master Race. My computer that I have been rebuilding for about 3 months now lives at last. At last. At last. My rig has come alive. My shitty graphics days are over. So give me a high five. I'm pretty sure that's not how that song goes, but I don't care because I'm excited because look, this is glorious. It's beautiful. Look at those light effects. Look at those clouds. Look at that water. That is PC water, people. PC water. Look, much better than console water. And a mountain. It is a PC mountain. I have found a PC mountain. Oh, talking shit.
Like a quiet, ordinary place. I've learned 2 things in my life. No place is truly quiet, and nowhere is really ordinary. Ethan warned me about that. Warned me not to be fooled by what I saw here.
Should have listened to Ethan.
He didn't need to worry. I'd worked dozens of cases, hundreds.
Ooh.
This will be my last one.
Look at this. This looks sweet. That is beautiful. On my old computer, it would get to the start screen and then just go when I tried to actually run it. I'm very excited. I hope the audio isn't too bad on this because I'm just kind of doing this as I go. But yeah, this is all thanks to Patreon backers. Yes, YouTube makes some money, but not very much. Anybody who's done anything on YouTube knows YouTube payouts suck. So it was Patreon. Oh, what's this? Patreon allowed me to buy all this stuff and spend way more money than than I thought I was gonna. People who say that you can build a gaming PC for $700, it's decent, don't know anything about the Canadian dollar. There's no way. The video card alone is more than half of that. But this took a lot of. There's pretty much nothing remaining from the original computer, but the hard drive, and even that's not the main hard drive anymore. It's just a backup drive, so I still have access to my save files because everything was so old that it wouldn't. What? Inspect. Okay. Cut ties. Untied, tied. No blood. Oh, no blood. What do you do, bro? Oh, zoom. What do you do? There's still something so romantic about train tracks in video games. Yeah, oh, I think I found the blood. Rest of the corpse. Blood trail. This is wood trail. Blood trail. Victim. Dragged away. Crawled away. Severed legs. Severed legs! No! What up? I'm gonna follow this. Yeah, this is definitely going somewhere. I think I see something up here. Yup! Here he is! Yep, blood from legs, blood from. Fractured skull. Cause of death. I think we know. He's missing his legs, and he got hit in the head. That is the cause of death. Okay, touch. Oh, what's this? Is he dead psychic or something? Oh. I'm getting up close and personal with this guy's elbow, but nothing's happening. 9. Death scene. So, yeah. So I'm gonna keep this video fairly short this time around, just because I'm gonna do a happy dance. No, that's gonna make people seasick. Don't do that. So I just wanted to make this, I wanted to start top 10 Thursdays today, But I spent 5 hours doing this, and I have rewrites to do on other articles. My first article for The Escapist is up. Yay! Go over there and read it, please. Please support. Railcar from the bridge. Please support this. Whoa! Okay, I think the game wants me to do... Railcar. Say that 3 times fast. God, I can't. It's way too late. It's way too late. See what I do for you guys? I stay up way too late to make sure there actually... What? Make sure there actually is daily content for you guys? Wait, yeah? Okay. Because I don't want to start missing a day this soon. I haven't been doing YouTube very long, and I understand consistency is a big deal. But holy cow, I have so much respect now for people who, you know, do really well on YouTube. Because it's a freaking grind. And, you know, anybody that says that it's not a ton of work doesn't know what they're talking about. But yeah, looks good, doesn't it? Looks good. This is the machine that love built. Yes, this is a machine of love. Because people cared enough about me and Momo to allow us to make this journey together. But yeah, now I can play PC games and let you guys check those out with me. Fun. But yeah, this is probably a bit boring to watch. So I'll leave you guys for now. Just wanted to show off the new graphics. Very exciting. And maybe if, you know, it doesn't seem too lame after I sleep on it, I'll tell the story of the ridiculousness it took to build this thing. 'Cause it was ridiculous. But for now, I just say thanks, guys. And go read the article on The Escapist. Please. Please. Nagging me, game. Now, okay, stop. Okay, I'm way too tired. Watch me wake up tomorrow. This is a fucking hallucination. And the PC's not really done. Properly. The threshold on the Elgato stuff sucks. It is okay, Rock. Okay. All right. I'm getting really, really tired, but check that. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Thank you, guys.